Okay, so this is what my boys and I got done yesterday. We decided this is be where the chickens run in and out at. That's just gonna kind of have a system to keep it up at night. Got some, I need to fix that, but this is gonna be the egg box. Undo the chain. We'll put some stuff in there, but just hooks back up. These will have chicken wire over it on the inside, and then in the winter that'll be closed, and in the summer we can open it. Chicken wire will keep it. Kind of see the idea here. We got some chicken wire on this door, and I put a board across it to make it a two-piece. This is what it'll look like on the inside. Just a little tikes playhouse that we're converting into a chicken coop.